Today we're taking a closer look at the RedRock console storage tray for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs. This is going to be a perfect option for any JL owner who's looking to add a little more organization to that center console area, especially if you're tired of small items and your cell phone dropping in between your seat and the center console, or things rattling around in that deeper console storage bin. It gives you a quick access spot for frequently used items like your keys, coins, cards, or your cell phone, and you're not going to lose that deeper storage right underneath. This tray is designed to drop right into the upper portion of your center console, right in front of the shifter knob, right in that compartment, effectively splitting that space into two functional layers. The upper tray makes it easy to access everyday essentials or your cell phone, while the lower section remains available for larger items that you use less frequently. RedRock makes this thing with an included rubberized liner on the inside of this tray to help minimize the sliding and the rattling while you're on the move, especially if you're off-road. That can be really helpful. This is made from injection molded ABS plastic, which keeps the tray lightweight but still durable enough for everyday use. This finish is going to match well with the OEM console for a factory-like appearance, and it's precision molded to fit snugly around that shifting area without bouncing around. Overall, the build quality is going to be really solid, and they also have these little inserts to make cleanup a lot easier. Just take these out. You can wash them down really easily, and you won't get that gunk build up in the middle of the center console. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $40 price range, so you're getting a very useful upgrade for interior organization at a very affordable price. Installation is going to be really straightforward, and it's going to have a peel and stick on the sides for making it really secure and stick into place. We're rating this one a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this installed in just 1 minute of your time. There's going to be no tools required. Just clean that surface on the side of the center console really well for the best adhesion and drop the tray into place. Now, let's see exactly how that process goes with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers.
Hey there. Today we're going to install this piece of interior trim from RedRock on my brand new 2024 Wrangler Rubicon X. This just gives you a bit more storage on the inside of the vehicle, something you can throw your phone in, or spare change, whatever else you need to throw in the car. Pretty easy to install. It's tool free. Just has these two pieces of adhesive on the inside. And it just sits in front of the four-wheel drive gear shifter lever, and then gives you a nice amount of storage on either side of the center console. All right, let's go inside the car and put it in. Okay, so we're inside the car. We've got our trim piece. You'll notice that it's not symmetrical. This part goes around the primary gear shifter. We're going to do a test fit before we take off the adhesive, just to make sure we can see how it goes in there. And you just slide it forward and set it in there, and that's it. So it looks good in the car. Looks like actually a natural piece of the manufacturer's trim. So all we have to do here is peel off this red on the inside on each side. So we'll take off that one strip. We'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, now just carefully slide that in, get it right into position, and then press inward so that it attaches. And there you have it, all done. Couldn't be easier, and looks great.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install for the RedRock console storage tray for the 2008 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.